Favorite pandesal.
Get mommy a bite.
Okay. Thank you, baby. Lat. Enough. Enough na mag-ice cream.
Ano ka ba? Bakit ka parang nasasapian?
Hindi kasi pwede ang ice cream ng... Hindi kasi pwede ang ice cream na...
Ayun na.
Hindi pwede ang ice cream na matagal kinakain. One lang. Tikim lang.
Sabay kain eh.
Hoy, tama na. Enough. Enough. One lang, di ba?
Ooh.
Tama yung tiyan mo, oh. Imposible naman na ginugutom ka dyan sa reaction mo.
Kunwari ka pang aalis, tapos babalikan mo. Oh, tama.
Enough na. Enough na. Ang layo nung kaibigan. Nahuhulog pa yung shoot. At ito tayo mga upuan nyo. Biala di. Nakalibre pa ng ice cream. Aba, nakalibre ka pa ng ice cream ngayon. Social ka. Okay. Get one.
And so usually the people of your generation or younger generation either
Oh,
do well or
nandiyan ka na pala.
that they would like to
Nagulat ka, no? Akala mo kasi kung ano lang pinapanood ko. Ang pinapanood ko ay tungkol sa stock investment. Ang stock investment is a act of investing money in a company shares. Sa madaling salita, ikaw ay bumibili ng isang stock o ng isang piece sa isang kumpanya. O sa mas madaling salita, para kang may-ari ng kumpanya sa maliit na halaga. Wala akong naintindihan sa sinasabi mo. At isa ang 2Trade Asia Plus na expert pagdating dito sa stock investment. It is a platform wherein you can invest, sabi dito sa Google. It's an efficient platform for all your online stock needs. Pabahabol ako ng habol sa'yo eh. Sinusundan mo talaga ako dahil sobrang interested ka. Ang 2Trade Asia Plus.
Showtime na. Good morning.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Bella.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Kakanta na siya.
Thank you so much.
Pito, lakasugan, pag nagsisilito, hiyaw, walang iba at paliwanag mo. Sulit magkakakulay ang pasto, dahil ikaw go, dahil ikaw go. Ikaw go, lalawin ko, amazing, maliwanag. Kaya na ito, kaya nila. Pag nagsisirin tong ilaw, walang iba.
Salamat. Namamas ko po. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, kuya. Salamat.
Isa sa mga struggles ko is to keep my hair smooth and lugay ready dahil required kami to tie up our hair during duty. However, Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoos got my back! My hair is now lugay ready, smooth and fragrant just like Beanie and Belle Mariana! Before, my hair was so frizzy and ponytail dents are always evident, but look how Sunsilk managed to keep my confidence back! What are you waiting for, Herkada? Sabi nga ni Belle and Beanie, ilugay mo na yan with Sunsilk! Shop now, available in stores nationwide and online.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!